We are familiar with the negatively charged electrons as one of the fundamental particles of an atom. But since an atom is electrically neutral, there must exist a positively charged particle to counter each negatively charged electron in it. This positively charged particle is called a proton. In this video, we will learn about the discovery of protons and discuss their properties. Protons were discovered by a German physicist, Eugen Goldstein. He used an apparatus similar to the cathode ray discharge tube, which was used for the discovery of electrons. However, he used a perforated cathode, one with very fine holes in it. When a high-volt cathode, some rays were observed traveling towards the cathode. They passed through the holes in the perforated cathode and produced a glow on the glass wall opposite the anode. Goldstein called these rays Kanalstrahlen, or canal rays or channel rays, because they passed through the channels or holes in the cathode. Like cathode rays, these rays also traveled in straight lines, but from the anode to the cathode. In the presence of an electric field, they deflected towards the negative plate. This showed that they were positively charged. It was observed that these rays did not originate from the anode. Instead, they were produced when the cathode rays or electrons hit the gas molecules in the discharge tube and knocked electrons out of them. This ionized the molecules into positive ions, which moved towards the negative electrode. These particles were found to be dependent on the gas used in the discharge tube. The charge-to-mass ratio of these particles varied with the nature of the gas used. This ratio was found to be the greatest when hydrogen gas was used, because it is the lightest known element. Therefore, the positive particle in a hydrogen atom is the lightest of all positive particles. This particle was named proton by Ernest Rutherford. A hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron. To summarize, protons were discovered by Goldstein using a gas discharge tube with a perforated cathode. They were in fact positive ions that were produced when fast-moving electrons hit the gas molecules and knocked electrons out of them. They were found to be dependent on the nature of the gas used. They were observed as rays which traveled in straight lines from anode to cathode and were found to be positively charged.